better stop.
The first law of motion states that an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. An example of this was when my car was traveling and came to a sudden stop. My body leaned forward and the tension in the seatbelt caused my body in motion to stop. The first law of motion is a good reason to wear a seatbelt. Another example of the first law, kicking a ball. The force of kicking a ball causes the ball to change motion and accelerate down the aisle. There was just enough force to overcome the ball's inertia. I hit the ceiling, however. Its force caused the light-up ball to stop its velocity. Second law states that acceleration produced by the net force on an object is directly proportional to the magnitude of the net force. It is the same direction as the net force and is inversely proportional to the mass. If the force acted on the cart increases, doubling the people pushing the cart will accelerate at a faster rate. This is because the net force is directly proportional to the acceleration of the object. Run into the wall and videotaping. Let's go.
Do it.
Do it. Alright, so the third law, running into a wall. Brock ran into a wall and his force was equally matched by the concrete wall. Brock pushed against the wall in one direction and the wall pushed back in the opposite direction.
See that?
Another example of the third law of motion. If a guy sits on a chair, your body acts on the chair with one force and the chair reacts to your body with yet another force. This is an example of the third law of motion. Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction.
I can do this because of Newton's third law.